Hey guys, so I'm just quickly going to make you a tutorial on how to make a simple visualizer music video style video for some music. So let's say maybe you want to do something like what I do on my channel and make a visualizer for a song, or maybe you're an artist and you want to make a visualizer or maybe an equalizer style video for your own song. This is how to do that. So I'm going to be using Wondershare Filmora for this. Uh, you don't necessarily have to use it, but in my opinion, it makes things a lot easier. It has a lot of the effects built in, especially even if you have the membership I have, which isn't like the premium tier, but like pretty much the mid tier, then you're good to go. You can even do the premium and mid tier effects without having a membership. You just won't be able to export it. There's ways around that, but that'll be for another video. Alright, so first things first, I'm just going to click New Project. So in this example, I'm just going to use a photo for the background. You could use video or anything, really. You don't need to use video. You could use photo, like I do. I'm probably just going to grab one of my old photos from a past video and use that as an example. Alright, now that your software is open, we got to import whatever files we're going to use. In this case, it's just going to be some music, and then a picture of some kind. I'm going to grab the last song that I used, just this one, and actually, no, let's go down a little bit. I lied to you. Let's use this and this. So those two files. No ads. All right, cool. That thumbnail's from a past video that I used. All right, so first things first, I'm going to stretch this straight to the end of the file, or the music file. Have that match up. Make that fit my window. That's our first step. The second step, we don't want it to start just bright like this, and flash our users in the face. So we want to have a gradual start. We're going to add a fade. So that when we start it, let me turn my sound down a little bit. It'll fade in, right? So, next step. I'm going to go to Effects. I'm going to type Audio. I'm going to see what comes up. Perfect. We got a couple equalizer style stuff. So because I don't have this tier here, I actually want to render this out when I'm done. I'm going to click Free. Alright, so now I basically just gotta like look around, see if there's anything I like. I think this one's pretty cool. So we're gonna toss that on top. We're gonna do the same thing, stretch to the end. And then we're gonna match it with a fade. We want a fade to match, right? We're gonna toss one on the end too, so I don't forget. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna go back to effects and notice that we have some zoom, some glitch, some blur. So we're gonna add some zoom. Same thing as before, add a fade to match our other tracks. That way they don't affect one another. Alright, cool. So now I'm gonna go back to effects. Let's see what the glow looks like. Oh, same thing. Add some fade on it, so it doesn't just start on its own. I'll show you what it looks like when you don't. Oh, I guess this is a bad example because the bass doesn't hit right away. But basically, let's say there was a bass hit right there immediately. It would flash the screen even though there was nothing there. Alright, cool. We want to go one step further. I could even do this, which will glitch out the video a little bit and make it look a little cooler. Same thing, more fade. Cool. So now we've got a pretty cool visualizer going on here. We've got the zoom, the equalizer, the glow, and the glitch effect, as well as this photo in the background, as well as our music, which is what's controlling a good portion of that. So now I'm gonna go and drop a filter or effect of some kind on here. One that I like to use a lot is this one, kind of like party vibes. You've seen it right there. So same thing as before. We want to fade it. It's a little too aggressive, so I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna turn the opacity down, make it a little less. There, that looks good enough for me. See, it turns out I don't like that one, so we're gonna turn that off. Drop a light leak on there. Yeah, I don't really like that. I'm gonna just keep the background the way it is. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. It's a very, very simple tutorial. Not much to it. It does require the use of Wondershare Filmora. I'm sure there's other apps out there that have similar effects like this that allow you to do similar things. But yeah, that's basically it. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and see ya.